a nation built on courage, a people united by hope, a future shaped by resilience. Today, we proudly celebrate Rwanda's Independence Day, a day that reminds us of our shared journey and limitless potential. At Flash Mamy Catering and Events, we are honored to be part of your life's most cherished celebrations. As Rwanda continues to shine, we remain committed to serving every occasion with excellence, passion, and joy. Happy Rwanda Independence Day! Together we celebrate. Together we thrive.
Flash Mamy Catering Events.